Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a coffee cup. Use 3mm crochet hook. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is called single crochet. We should make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Tie the yarn and insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. This is called slip stitch. Chain 1 and make 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Next stitch, 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for row 2. In the end of each row we should make a slip stitch like this. Insert your hook into the first single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Chain 1. We're working back loops. Insert your hook into the back loop and make a single crochet. We should make in back loops of each stitch just 1 single crochet like this. In this row we should make chain 1 and in each stitch just 1 single crochet like this. And chain 1 and we should make 3 single crochet like this. In each stitch 1 single crochet, and in this stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch, and just chain 1 and make in each stitch just 1 single crochet. Just chain 1 and tie the yarn and cut it with your scissor and tied it. And we start making our coffee. Again we make a magic ring and you should make into our magic ring 6 single crochet like before, and tie the yarn and slip stitch. Just chain 1, make a single crochet into this stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Follow this pattern for this row. Just chain 1 and cut it with your scissor like this. Next I show you how to connect our pieces together, coffee and cup. And after this I show you how to crochet our handle. Make handle, pull the yarn around your finger, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, and just tie it. That's called a slip knot. Just make 6 chains like this, and after that skip 1 chain and start from next chain. I'm making each stitch 1 single crochet. After that chain 1 and tie the yarn and cut it. And use your needle and connect cup and our handle. And after this I show you how to crochet our heart. To make our heart, just make a magic ring like before, and after that chain 2 and yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is called a treble crochet. We should make 3 treble crochet into our magic ring like this. And yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is called a double crochet. We should make 3 double crochet into the magic ring. Just chain 1 and make 3 treble crochet, and after that 3 double crochet, and after that chain 2 and make a slip stitch. Insert your hook into the magic ring, pull up a loop and pull through. Tie the yarn and close our magic ring as just chain 1. I make 60 chains. Just chain 1 and tie there. Grab your needle and connect our pieces together like this. Don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials, please subscribe and hit the bell. And if you have any question, ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.